time. So I know with very few days left for the examinations, you guys might be feeling nervous, stressed and worried. So I have come up with a super fast motivational video to help you stay motivated, to help you stay consistent, focused and all geared up for the next 30-35 days. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe karo, hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out on many such motivational videos and important content coming up in the upcoming few days. So subscribe and hit that bell icon. Very first point here is, let us face our fears and let us face our pressure. I know with very few days, with barely few weeks left for examinations, you might be feeling stressed out. Oh God, I'm not remembering anything. Oh God, I think I've forgotten this. Oh God, I did not perform well in this test. It's very natural. First of all, calm down and remember, transformation happens under pressure. Good things happen under pressure and good products are formed under pressure. It is just that you have to trust the process and have faith in your own self. Remember guys, diamonds are formed under pressure. Oil is extracted out of olives by squeezing it. Grapes are pressed and wine is made out of it. So all we have to do is stay calm, learn out of our mistakes and inculcate that daily routine and study schedule of ours and not stop until we achieve our daily target. Second point here is stay away from negativity. Now this negativity might be inside you and many times happening outside you. I know there are these rumors going on around exam postponement and stuff, but trust me, I've seen 90% students are not getting affected by it this time because they have learned out of their past mistakes. But for the rest 10%, I would like to tell you, trust me guys, the time wastage in watching this YouTube video or falling prey to these rumors, it's just killing your time. It's just killing your 6 months ahead. So stop wasting time and start studying. Stay away from the negativity, toxic news, toxic rumors. The third point here is, guys, you have a choice every single day. You have a choice between complaining or rising up. You have a choice between procrastinating or revising. You have a choice between regretting about what you could have done in the past versus thinking about the opportunities which can be done in the next few days. So let us have proper choices and these choices are ultimately going to decide your results. The last point is, the fourth point is about the actions. Guys, it is not about how badly you want to clear these exams now. It is just about one thing, how hard you're willing to work for it. So are you willing to work hard for it? Comment in the comment section below and let us gear up and let us just put in our best work and let us be the most hardworking person we know. Okay, this is me signing out. Tata. Bye bye.